guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm pretty sure it was just about 2 or 3 weeks ago that I uploaded my last hair dyeing video, and I'm already bored. Plus, last time was kind of a huge fail. If you didn't see my last hair dyeing video, I put the shade Hot Hot Pink by Manic over my kind of vibrant purple hair, and it didn't really go as planned. I was hoping for it to turn hot pink, but it just turned out to be purpley pink, and not only that, the color did not hold. I'm not sure why, but it almost washed out immediately, and this is pretty much how it washed out, and it's just faded a little bit more since. So the plan was to try to do maybe pink again after, now that I have more pink tones in my hair, but I'm honestly sick of pink tones. I'm sick of purple. I want to do something completely different. I want to do something that is better for fall. So I'm going to be dyeing my hair Wildfire by Manic. So this is a orangey red, actually. It looks more like a true red in the jar. I don't know if you can see. It looks like it has pink tones, but I watched videos and it's definitely orange based, but I chose this shade because I've never done an orangey red, and I really like orangey reds. I don't know if I can pull it off, but I've never done that, so it'd be fun to do something different. I've only done Vampire Red in the Manic line or whatever, and I do like that color, but I want something brighter and lighter, and this one is definitely very light and bright. So I think that'll be really cool. Plus, I have pink and purple tones in my hair, so I think that might kind of balance it out. I don't know if it's gonna be that orangey tone that I want, and I'm not sure what it's gonna turn out like because of the color my hair is, and there are no videos on YouTube of people with hair like mine doing this, so that's another reason why I thought I would make this video. So yeah, it's kind of an experiment. I think it should work. The last time I did red, I actually put Vampire Red by Manic over my faded blue hair, and I liked it, but because my hair was vibrant blue on the top of my hair turned black, and then the ends were this really pretty vibrant red, but I didn't like that the majority of my hair was like black and then it was red, and that black would not come out. So I pretty much just dyed my hair black right after that color, and I didn't keep the red as long as I would have liked because of that issue. So I want to go red, and I want to stay red for a while. Plus it's fall, and I feel like red is the perfect fall color, especially an orangey red if it does work out the way I want. I really want it to be an orangey toned red, but I guess we'll have to find out. I really hope it doesn't turn like black or brown. We'll find out. So I am going to blast some music and start dyeing my hair and hope that it doesn't turn black or brown and that it turns a pretty red.
If I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight, I don't have a job to find. And if I work tonight, if I'm so tired tonight, I'll fall asleep when I'm home, when I'm home. From here, focused on my own way, with never looking back to those who lived in fear. There was nothing I could do, there was nothing you said that could make me realize how much lucky I was. Just out of reach of the fire, was not aware of the nightmare, but when I stopped to see through sight, begging for help, begging for hope, just need to open my eyes down to try to change them to sunshine, to be someone among others. I've gotta try it. If I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight, I don't have a job to find. And if I work said tonight.